Hi guys, hi YouTube, hi lovely viewers. Welcome to ladyttv channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers. Thanks guys for everything. So today's video is about how to make this sweet and lovely popcorn, and you have to make it with your pot, with what you have. So guys, let's get started. So I use 300 gram of corn, dried corn, and 4 spoons of sugar, and 5 full spoons of oil. So I pour the oil. I'll let you guys to watch. So I pour the oil. I pour the butter into the pot. You can see my popcorn pot. So I pour the maize, that is the corn, into the hot butter. So now I shake the pot and the maize, the corn in the pot. So when the popcorn started popping up, I poured the sugar and I covered it, but I stirred it before I covered it, and I started shaking it. I shaked the pot I shaked the pot until the popcorn was fully ready. And please don't forget to continue shaking the pot until it is all ready, because if you stop shaking the pot, the popcorn, the sugar will get burnt and the popcorn will be bitter. So that is it. Thank you, sweetheart, this video. I love you all. Ciao ciao.